All right, for the auditory drill, you're going to write the sound that you hear in the sand. Fingers up. Ready, begin. Right. Ready, right.
C.
Fingers up. D.
D.
Okay, now remember we're using lowercase letters only. Okay, shake that out. Fingers up.
You doing it again?
Yes, fingers up. D. Ready, right.
D.
Fingers up.
F.
Fingers up. Oh. Ready, right.
L. O.
Fingers up. Ready, right.
P.
Very good. All right, Marquise, for the blending drill, you are going to point to the card, each card, and you're going to say the sound and then read the word. You ready? Fingers up. Ready, read.
Add. Tag.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Add. Gad.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Add. Gag.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Egg. Gig. Gig.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Egg. Lid.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Odd. Line.
What's this letter?
Mm.
Okay. Fingers up. Oops, sorry. Ready, read.
Lock.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Hots.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Odds. Rise.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Odd. Job.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Odds. Jobs.
Okay. Fingers up. Ready, read.
Jones.
What's this?
Uh.
Again.
Just.
Okay. Fingers up. Ready, read.
Juck.
Fingers up. Ready, read.
Took.
Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna go over some the vowel sounds, and for the cards that you have in front of you. I'll say the sound, and then you hold up the card for the sound that I'm saying. Okay? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. A. I. A. Apple. Lip. Grip. Cape. Oops, sorry, wrong vowel. Cap. Lip. App. Okay. All right. Now, yes, put those down. I want you to read these for me.
Hit. Rick. Fit. Mint. Sit. Kit. Kid. Sin. Tat. Gat. Gat. Cat. hack, mac, tag, dak, gap, jack, fig, tip.
Very good. All right, so today we're going to learn a new sound. The sound that we're going to learn today is two letters combined. Those two letters are C and H. And C and H, when they are combined together, make the sound ch. Can you say it? Ch, ch. All right, very good. Now I want you to repeat the sound 3 times. What is the sound? CH says ch, ch, ch. Very good. All right. And the word that we are going to introduce for you is a word that it is something that you have on your face. Okay,
Chin.
it's a part of your face, and men have hair on it. What is that called?
Chin.
Point to your chin. Very good. This is your chin. Say it. Say the sound 3 times.
Chin.
Chin. Very good. All right. And this is our card. This is the CH chin. See, we have a picture of a person showing their chin. All right. I want you to write the letters that make the sound ch in the sand 3 times.
So just write CH.
Yeah. So chin, the CH sound is, write it in the sand. Say the letters C,
C,
H,
H,
ch. Underline and say ch.
Ch.
Again, I want you to do it 3 times.
C, H, Ch. C, H, Ch.
Very good. Now, other than chin, can you think of some words that begin with the ch sound, like chin and chest?
Cheese,
Okay. What else? Anything else? What are these?
cheeks,
Okay. What about a fruit? It's a little red fruit. It's a small.
Cherry.
Anything else? Any other words you can think of? A little kid is also called a child, and a group of them are
children.
very good. All right, Marquise. Now I am going to give you some words, and I want you to write the words. They are CH words, so I want you to listen to me, and then I want you to write the words on the lines. You ready? Chip, chip. Chop. Chop. You can write across, that's fine. Oh wait, stop. I messed up.